Hello children, welcome to the maths class. In chapter 11, perimeter and area, in revision part, we have completed question 1 to question 10 in previous class. Question 11. How many times a wheel of radius 35 centimeter must rotate to cover a distance of 132 meter? First here we have to find out the distance covered in one rotation of the wheel. In one rotation, the wheel will cover the distance equal to the circumference of the wheel. The wheel is in circular shape. So, the circumference of the wheel is 2 pi r. 2 times. Value of pi is given 22 by 7. And r is the radius. Radius of the wheel is 35 centimeter. Find out this value. 7 ones are 7, 7 fives are 35. And 5 twos are 10. 10 into 22 is 220 centimeter. The distance covered in one rotation of the wheel is 220 centimeter. We have to find out the number of rotations required to cover 132 meter of the distance. This distance is in centimeter and this total distance is given in meters. So first convert this distance into centimeters. We know that 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So to convert 132 meters into centimeters, multiply it by 100. Now divide the total distance to be covered by the circumference of the wheel. That means the distance covered in one rotation. Distance covered in one rotation is 220 centimeter. Find out this value. Centimeter will cancel. Divide numerator and denominator by 10. 1 0 will cancel. Now divide this. 22 ones are 22 and 22 6 are 132 and 6 into 10 is 60. So 60 rotations are required to cover 132 meter of the distance. Question 12. A rectangular park has area 75,000 meter square. It has a circular sandpit at the center with radius 100 meter. The area of park excluding the area of sandpit is what? The area of the rectangular park is given 75,000 meter square and the park has one circular sandpit at the center. We have to find out this remaining area. Area of the park excluding the area of this sandpit. To find this remaining area, we have to subtract the area of this sandpit from the total area of the park. Sandpit is in circular shape. So the area of sandpit is pi r square. Value of pi is given 3.14 into r radius of the sandpit is given 100 meter. 100 meter into 100 meter. This multiplication. Multiply 3.14 by 100. This point will move 2 digits right. So answer of this multiplication we will get 314 meter into this 100 meter. 314 into 100. 31400 and meter into meter, meter square. This is the area of sandpit. To get the remaining area from the area of total area of the park, it is 75,000 meter square. Subtract the area of sandpit. 31,400 meter square. Subtract it. From 75,000, 31,400. 0, 0, 10 minus 4, 6, 1 and this is 3 and 4. 43,600 meter square. So the remaining area is 43,600 meter square. Question 13. A square room of side 10 meter has a veranda of 2 meter width. all along from outside the room. The area of the veranda is what? The square shaped room has the side 10 meter and it has a veranda all along its sides but from outside. The width of the veranda is 2 meter and we have to find out the area of this veranda. To find the area of this veranda, we have to subtract the area of this room from the total area. Area of the room with veranda. The room is square in shape. So the area is side into side. 10 meter into 10 meter. 100 square meter. To find the total area. Area of the room with veranda. First we have to find out the dimensions of the area. Width of the veranda is 2 meters. Side of the room is 10 meter. Again the width of veranda is 2 meter. So this length is 14 meter into. Now this length 2 meter width of veranda. The side of the room is 10 meter and again this width of veranda. Total is 2 plus 10 plus 2 is 14 meter. 14 14s are 196 and meter into meter, meter square. And now to find the area of veranda from the total area, area of the room with veranda. 196 meter square. Subtract the area of the room, 100 meter square. Subtract it. 196 minus 100 is 96. Unit is meter square. So the area of veranda is 96 meter square. Question 14. A rectangular park of length 70 meter and breadth 60 meter has a path of width 5 meter all along and inside the park. The cost of cementing the path at rupees 200 per square meter is what? A rectangular park. The length of the park is 70 meter and breadth of the park is 60 meter. And the park has a path all along its sides but from the inside. Width of the path is 5 meter. We have to find out the area of this path. To find the area of this path, from the total area of the park, we have to subtract this remaining area. Area of the park excluding this path. Area of the rectangular park. Park is rectangular in shape, so the area is length into breadth. Length is 70 meter and breadth is 60 meter. 7 6 are 42 and 2 more zeros. Meter into meter, square meter. So the total area of the park is 4200 square meter. Remaining area. To find the remaining area, first we have to find out its dimensions. This side, length of the remaining area. To find the length of remaining area, we have to subtract this width and this width from the length of park. From 70 meter, subtract 5 meter and 5 meter. So this length of the remaining area we get 60 meter. Breadth of the remaining area. From the breadth of park, subtract this 5 meter and this 5 meter. So from 60 meters, 5 meter minus 5 meter, we get here the breadth of the remaining area 50 meter. Now multiply. 6 5s are 30. 2 more zeros. Meter into meter. Square meter. So the area of remaining portion is 3000 square meter. Area of path. To find the area of path from the total area. Total area is 4200 square meter. Subtract the area of this remaining portion. Area of remaining portion is 3000 square meter. Subtract it. 4200 minus 3000. It is 1200 square meter. The area of the path is 1200 square meter. But we have to find the cost of cementing the path at the rate of rupees 200 per square meter. The rate of the cementing is given rupees 200 per square meter. So to find the cost of cementing the whole path, multiply the area of path 1200 square meter by the rate. Rate is rupees 200 per square meter. This square meter will cancel. Answer we will get in rupees. It is the cost. Multiply. 12 twos are 24 and 4 more zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is 2,40,000. So cost of cementing the path is rupees 2,40,000. Question 15. Two crossroads of width 10 meter cut at right angles through the center of a rectangular park of length 200 meter and breadth 100 meter. The cost of cementing roads at the rate of rupees 110 per meter square is what? A rectangular park. The length of the park is 200 meter and breadth of the park is 100 meter. And the park has two crossroads perpendicular to each other and cutting each other at the center. We have to find out the area of this crossroads. So first area of this vertical road 1, it is in rectangular shape and length of the road is equal to the breadth of park 100 meter and width is given 10 meter. So the area is length 100 meter and breadth 10 meter, 1000 square meter. The area of other road, horizontal road 2. The length of the road is 200 meter equal to the length of park and width is 10 meter given. So the area of road 2 is, again it is rectangular in shape, so length into breadth. Length is 200 meter, breadth is 10 meter. Multiply it. The area of road 2 is 2000 square meter. To find the area of crossroads, add these two areas. Area of road 1. Area of road 1 is 1000 square meter and area of road 2 is 2000 square meter. But one time we have to subtract the common area because while calculating the areas of road 1 and road 2, in both the areas we have taken this common area. So one time we have to subtract this common area. The roads are perpendicular to each other. So all these angles are right angles and width of both the roads are same, 10 meter. So it is the square of side 10 meter. The common area is 10 meter into 10 meter, 100 square meter. 1000 plus 2000, 3000. 3000 minus 100, 2900 square meter. The area of crossroads is 2900 square meter. We have to find out the cost of cementing the roads. The rate of cementing is given rupees 110 per meter square. That means for cementing 1 meter square area, rupees 110 is required. And we have to find out the cost of cementing 2900 square meter area. So multiply the area of crossroads 2900 square meter by the rate rupees 110 per meter square. Meter square will cancel. We will get answer in rupees. Multiply this. 29 into 11, 319 and 3 more zeros. So the cost of cementing the road is 3,19,000 rupees. Rupees 3,19,000.